Hey, this is Sam here from KitchenGadgetsClub.com and also the voice behind your popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Well, I've got something brilliant for you today to celebrate the pre-orders of the Complete Multi-Cooker Cookbook. We are giving away a Speedi. A Ninja Speedi is one of the main kitchen gadgets that's used in this because it's a brilliant multi-cooker, and we just thought it'd be great to give one away so that if you haven't got one in your kitchen, then it's a great addition, or if you've already got one and you want a second one, even better. And of course it does so much as well. So if you're not familiar with the Ninja Speedi, well, it has a saute, it's got a main cooking pot, I will show you it in more detail shortly, and it steam air fries. It's also an air fryer, it's got a bacon roast setting, the grill on it is absolutely superb, and I just like it as a brilliant all-rounder. So it also steams, so think about it, everything that the high-end multi-cookers do, apart from it doesn't pressure cook. So if you're not into pressure cooking and you just want to be able to go from steaming some fish to adding a crumb to it to then crisp it up, it's brilliant for that. You know, or you can steam some pasta in there and then put it on saute to make a delicious macaroni cheese. That's another favourite of ours, and there's so many different things it can do. So if you don't want to listen to me waffling on and you just want to enter the competition, simply go to KitchenGadgetsClub.com/giveaway, and there's the full details there on how to pre-order and then to submit your pre-order proof in order to win yourself a copy of the Speedi. But before you go, let me show you the Speedi close up and what it can do. So let me show you my Ninja Speedi because it's brilliant, and it's got some great buttons here as well, because it's better to look at the buttons because then you can see what it actually does. So it's a grill, air fry, bake, roast, dehydrate, saute, slow cook, and that's all on that side. So you have this lever here that way, and then to access the stuff on the other side, you flick it up, and then on the other side you have speed meals, steam air fry, steam bake, and steam. And then the other thing to note is if you're following the recipe online or in our book and it says steam roast or steam bread, you just use steam bake, it's fine, it does the same thing, I really wouldn't worry about it. And then you can just adjust the time and temp as and when you need to. And then inside, that's your air fryer heating element like you get in traditional air fryers. And then you have your crisp plate, which comes out, and then that's your main cooking pot. So think like if you're doing a saute in a pan, anything you could do like that in a pan, you can do it in here. And this is great for your slow cooker as well. And then the crisp plate has bits that come out like that each side, and then you can position it in top position. So let me just show you like that, and then for the final one there. So if you look there, you can see all four of them. And then sometimes they kind of go back in, which is really annoying, but if you look there, all three of those are in, and then that one's flipped back in, I should say, not out. And then there you go, there it is in top position, and that's a brilliant grill. I cannot believe how good the toast is. Grilled cheese or anything else you want to make crispy in this top position, but you can't have something too deep because you'll be too close to the top of the lid, in which case you can use the lower position. And that is the Speedi in a nutshell. I mean, doesn't it look fabulous? Wouldn't you like one of these in your kitchen? And then look at it in my kitchen. It really doesn't take up much room at all. It's great. And we travelled around Europe with this as well. So if there is a gadget that's featured in the Multi-Cooker Cookbook that we want to give away, that we want to recommend to you the most, it would be the Ninja Speedi. So, what did you think? Did you like the look of the Ninja Speedi? And like I said, it's used quite a lot in our new cookbook, the Complete Multicooker Cookbook. Competition rules, anyone can apply that lives in the UK, 18 or over of course. And it's running from today, which is just so happens to be my birthday. So I'm 44 today, and it's running all the way through to the 26th of February. I chose then because it's then exactly a month before the cookbook comes out, so it gives you a chance to get it in your kitchen and get ready for using our recipes in it, and I cannot wait for that. So I'm really excited about that. But before you go, I just want to show you some things from our book where the Speedi is going to be really, really helpful to you. So should we take a look inside the book? So here is the book. Oh, I just love it. Really do love it. So what shouts out Speedi in here then? Well, we have a brilliant intro. So if you haven't had a multi-cooker and you've just had air fryers, then this is going to be brilliant for your learning everything. And then, for example, we cover the different multi-cookers that you can use it with. For example, the Instant Pot, the Ninja Foodie. And then, of course, that is the top shot of the Speedi. And then that is what a basket looks like when you're using a Ninja Foodie versus the Speedi, just so that you get a general idea. And we cover accessories and all sorts of other multi-cooker questions that you may have as well, and understanding the buttons and what to press and when. And then we also feature recipes by function. So, for example, as you know, it slow cooks and it air fries. So there you have the recipes that slow cook and air fry that just slow cook. Our favourites for using the grill. It's got a dehydrate, so you can do all those. That prawn curry is amazing in the Speedi. And then you get loads of other ones there as well. And then for actual recipes, one of my favourites is actually these baked eggs that Dom has for breakfast using the Speedi. And then let me find my absolute favourite for the Speedi, and one that I often talk about in using it. And that is how delicious steamed fishes. So if you're following a healthy diet as well, then you can steam anything you would steam in a normal steamer. So your fish, your vegetables, your rice, your pasta and such like. And it's just brilliant for that. And there's just so much choice in here for if you have a Speedi, or if you have a different type of multi-cooker and you're just looking for some general inspiration and exactly what you can use it for. So don't forget to pre-order yourself a copy and to submit your details to win the Speedi. Remember, the Speedi runs from today, the 31st of January, until the 26th of February for the giveaway. And then that gives you a month until the book is actually out. So it's perfect timing for that. So don't forget to pre-order yourself a copy. And I can't wait to see you using this cookbook in your kitchen. Thanks so much for watching our YouTube video. It feels so amazing that you've stuck around to the end. And of course, that must mean that you like our videos. So why not also follow us on social media? You can find us at the Kitchen Gadgets Club on Facebook and on Pinterest, TikTok. We're Kitchen Gadgets Club. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos like this one. And you can also find us at KitchenGadgetsClub.com, where we have a membership that shares brand new kitchen gadget recipes every week. And we also have lots of great ideas, resources, tips and tricks. And we are an ovenless kitchen, so we teach you exclusively how to cook with kitchen gadgets. And a ciao for now.